I don't normally dress like this. I am just tired after a long day of hauling rubble around and smashing holes in walls. And somebody said you should do an intro to your YouTube. I'm on my own, so no trick photography, not a video editor. I've never worked in TV or media or anything. I might ramble at some point, but I guess as these videos get going, the comments will tell me, yeah, God, Rich, you're boring, or no, it's good. So let's see what happens, eh? All right, intro for the video. Do we do an intro? Intro. What do you say in an intro to a video? Bought a house in Italy. Needs a bit of work. What else is there? Why should you watch this channel? Well, if you're interested in moving abroad, one. But then it's also the buying a house abroad. It's easy to buy, and then the fun starts. So I'm doing this one up, and yeah, it's a journey. So watch for that. It's not a how-to channel. Hopefully give you some help and tips if you do want to come abroad, come to Italy especially. Yeah, watch it for that. What else? Oh yeah, well, I live in England. I work full-time. I've got 2 kids in England. They're teenagers, so busy lives. So why should you watch it? Well, I don't know. I'll try and make it entertaining. I wonder if the neighbours watch me and see there's a guy on his own down there and he's talking to a camera, making this, because family and friends ask so many questions. So you're like, just watch the video, and hopefully a couple of million other people watch the video, and then hey, we got a new life. That'll be good. Yeah, a few other things before I lose light on this rambling intro. You might want to know. What did I buy? Well, I'm in the Marche region of Italy, just outside a town called Corinaldo. Beautiful, beautiful part of the world. I mean, I travelled all over Italy, looking pretty much everywhere for years before settling on this place. And there's loads of reasons why I think this is the best region. We'll get into that another day. But otherwise, what did I buy? Main house, outhouse, small building as well. So three bricks and mortar, 2 barns, 3.5 acres, just over 3.5 acres of land. Quite a few olive trees, loads of fruit trees. These 2 beauties you might recognise from the logo. Very creative. Sorry for the ramble. Yeah, so this is probably where I drop in all the clips to show you aerial shots of what it is. That's enough for the intro, surely. Let's get on with the main content. So I'm not going to be an every weeker. I haven't got the time to be here because I'm only allowed in the country 90 days every 180 days. Good old Brexit. What a stupid negotiation that was. Okay, anyway, it's not a political channel. So anyway, I'm not going to do weekly videos. I'd like to if I was here more. I'll get videos out as often as I can. But with the flow of the comments, tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you want to know, and I'll do my best. Oh, not the best sunset. Get some epic sunsets here. Probably could edit some in, couldn't I? Excuse the raw cuts if it's a bit rubbish, but I'm just going to show you. Also, night sky. It is unreal. I don't want to make this too serious, so tell me if it does get too heavy going. But in general, this is about facts. Let's deal with what's really going on here. We've got a lot of dreams for the place. You know, there's a lot of work between what it is and what it might become. Forgot to tell you, my name's Richard. Thanks for watching. See you in the comments. Is that what YouTubers say? Or is that what people on YouTube say? I don't want to sound like that. I don't want to sound cheesy. I want to make this as natural as I can, because you'll see me I don't mind having a laugh, but laughing at yourself when you're on your own, a bit weird, eh? Alright, also this intro is filmed 2 years after I bought the house, and the footage you're probably seeing from the off is old. The old stuff, I'm just getting it out there. Hopefully it gets better. Hopefully it gets better. So back to the intro. Try and keep it authentic. That was a rambled video intro after a long day smashing up the house. So hope you like it. This is good. I normally drink wine, but this beer ain't bad. It's all right. 50 cents a can. Some things. All right, that's rambling. Sorry.